welcome back. I hope you're doing amazing. I'm going to be showing you how you can make an aluminum-free deodorant cream that does not contain baking soda and keeps your armpits smelling fresh all day long without the irritation that may come from baking soda. This aluminum-free deodorant cream is also made with natural plant oils that help to soothe your armpits as well and leaves a fresh smelling scent to your armpits for all day freshness. So I'm going to show you my process for making this deodorant cream step by step. So let's go on and get started. And if this is the first time you're stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos. And I'm also a small business owner. I sell my handmade products online and I also have formulating classes. I have ebooks. Everything I mentioned will be linked in the description box. I'm going to be using a digital scale to weigh out my ingredients, and the formula recipe is going to be given at the end of this video. It is given in percentages and I've also converted into grams. If you would like to make a different amount or batch size, please check the description box. I have a batch calculator that's linked there as well. So my first ingredient is going to be my Cerebellina wax. I'm going to be using this ingredient to thicken up this deodorant cream to give it firmness. You can use other waxes like candelilla wax, rice bran wax. You can also use beeswax to make this deodorant cream. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my jar in a pot filled with a few inches of water, and I'm going to melt this using low to medium heat until the wax has melted down. Once my wax has melted down, I'm just going to add in the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add in some sunflower oil. This is very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin. It's also packed with antioxidants that nourish your skin as well. And I'm also going to be adding in some shea nut oil. This oil feels very luxurious on the skin, also lightweight, packed with tons of vitamins and fats. You can always switch it out with other oils of your choice. So the wax has started to harden up again because I added room temperature oils, so which is fine. All I'm going to do is I'm going to place it back in the pot and I'm just going to continue to melt this down. You don't have to do it this way. You can add all your ingredients at the beginning and melt it down. I just like to reduce the heating time of my oils or the extra ingredients that I'm using. So this is what it's looking like. It's just going to keep melting down, and once everything has melted down, you want to remove this from the heat and just allow this to cool for a few minutes. When I checked the temperature, it was at 164 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to add in the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to be using some arrowroot powder. This helps to absorb sweat, excess oils from the armpit. It helps to neutralize odor, and it's also gentle on your skin. It's great for sensitive skin as well. I'm also using some magnesium hydroxide. This is going to help absorb moisture, excess moisture from your armpits, and it also helps to neutralize odor, and it's a natural aluminum-free alternative. I'm also going to add in some vitamin E T50. This is going to help extend the shelf life of this deodorant cream. And to give this deodorant cream a refreshing scent, I'm using essential oils. I added some geranium essential oil and whole wood essential oil. This gives a very fresh floral scent, and just makes this deodorant smell amazing. You want to give this a really good mix. Take your time to do this. It may take several minutes. You want to make sure that the powders are incorporated properly into the mixture, your essential oils. I also used my mini whisk for a few minutes to get everything properly blended. And here is the formula. It's given in percentages, and I've also converted this into grams. If you would like to make a different amount or a different batch size, please check the description box for the batch calculator that I use. I packaged the deodorant cream using 1 ounce glass jars. I will have this also linked in the description box, but you can use any packaging of your choice to package up your own deodorant cream. You want to make sure that your deodorant cream mixture has completely cooled down before you place the lids on top. And this was about 8 days later. This is what the deodorant cream is looking like. So it had already set up, it had firmed up, and you can just make adjustments, changes if you want a softer cream, reduce your wax. But this is what the deodorant cream is looking like after 8 days. So you get a firm, but it's also a soft consistency. It's not rock hard, and it's going to stay like this the entire time you've made this formula. It's not going to turn rock hard a few days later. So this is what the final consistency is, and this is how it applies on the skin. It is very lightweight. It does not feel heavy on the skin. It absorbs very quickly into your skin. So you can always make changes to work best for you. But this deodorant cream is formulated for all skin types. Always do a patch test, especially if you have sensitive skin. Do a patch test to make sure you don't have any irritation. Some people are sensitive to baking soda, so that's why I made this formula as an alternative. So to use this, just take a pea-sized amount. You don't need a lot, and just apply to your armpits after a shower or bath, and just massage it into your skin. It applies very easily. It does not feel heavy. It does not feel oily or greasy, and it's going to keep your armpits smelling fresh all day long. I love using this. This just feels amazing on your armpits. So go on and try it out. Let me know what you think. If you have questions, please let me know in the comments. I love to hear from you. And please, if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like this video. Leave me a heart emoji in the comments. Of course, if you have questions, let me know in the comments as well. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.